3 signs na ready ka na magkabahay. Number 1, you are financially ready. Financially ready means either meron kang stable job na regular ka or meron kang business na tumatakbo for at least 2 years. Tapos in addition doon, dapat yung kinikita mo per month, kaya mong isave yung 30% na hindi maapektuhan yung lifestyle mo. Hindi enough na basta mataas yung sweldo mo. Dapat merong sobra na pwede mong i-allot na pangbayad dun sa DP saka sa monthly amortization ng bahay. And syempre, if kukuha ka ng home loan either sa bank or Pag-ibig, you can provide the documentation to prove na ito talaga yung income mo. Number 2 sign na ready ka na magkabahay. You have the clarity kung anong klaseng property ang hinahanap mo. Unang-una, dapat alam mo yung purpose kung bakit ka bibili ng bahay. Investment ba yan or personal use? Magkaiba yun ha. Pag investment, syempre, ang priority mo is yung return of investment. Pero kung personal use, syempre, ang objective mo is makahanap ng property na masasatisfy yung needs ng family mo. Ilang rooms ba kailangan mo? Do you need a room sa ground floor kasi may kasama kang senior or PWD? Work from home ka ba o kailangan mo mag-travel papuntang office everyday? Dapat alam mo yung priorities mo para makahanap ka ng property na fit both dun sa needs and budget mo. And number 3 sign na ready ka na magkabahay, you can give it time and commitment. Parang paghanap ng jowa or partner lang yan. Hindi pwedeng i-delegate. If si mother ang kailangan maghanap ng options and mag-site visit in your behalf, you are not yet ready. Remember, a house can cost millions and ang payments niyan would last for years. Kailangan committed ka talaga, hindi lang financially but also mentally. If tingin mo, ready ka na to become a homeowner, we would be happy to assist you. Ako nga pala si Broker Dan. I'm a licensed real estate broker from Bahay Central Realty. 20 years na kami sa real estate and it's our passion na tulungan kang makahanap ng tamang bahay for your family.